Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for School Morning Assembly for 16th of June. And first of all, national news. Posters to be put up to identify Prayagraj violence accused. Police. CHERRAPUNJI, one of the world's wettest places, sees a record rain in 27 years. 4,000 resident doctors went on indefinite strike in Gujarat. Huge protest over new AGNIPATH scheme for military jobs in BIHAR'S BUXAR and MUZAFFARPUR. Start of a new era for India. Telecom minister on 5G spectrum auction. AGNIPATH scheme. Army to recruit 25,000 in 180 days, says Army Vice Chief. Petition against UP demolitions and Supreme Court on 16th of June. Delhi registered more than 1,100 COVID cases for second consecutive day. And now some international news. Two planes just 15 miles apart at 35,000 feet. Major collision avoided. Sri Lankan Airlines on Wednesday praised its pilots. EU court annuls billion euro antitrust fine against a chip-making giant. Lion in Kenya rescued after it was found trapped in wire snare that was cutting off his paw. Japan, a key US ally and not a NATO member, has delivered defensive supplies to Ukraine. Europe epicenter of escalating monkeypox outbreak. WHO warns. And now some sports news. Neeraj Chopra registered a throw of 89.30 meter at the Pavo Nurmi Games, breaking the national record of 88.07 meter that he himself had set last year. New Zealand all-rounder Michael Bracewell test positive for COVID. Ranji Trophy semi-final, Hardik Temur hits 100 as Mumbai posts 393 against Uttar Pradesh. Ireland named squad for India T20 International, Andrea Balbirdie to captain. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.